Hello? I forgot my head strap. Okay, I'm gonna call it awkward live stream today on my Instagram. All right, we're ready. Thank you. That sounds so good. The exhaust. So as soon as I get the exhaust fixed, I'm gonna try and get it in. But yeah, different view for you guys today. I forgot my strap for my GoPro, so right now you guys are just stuck to the passenger side window. So new setup. Did I like the Subaru WRX? Yes. I mean, not the WRX so much, but the STI? 100%. I found a Subaru. Miles per gallon. So right now I'm getting 16.9 miles per gallon. And I did not do my hair right for this POV. Do not look at the back of my head, okay? What have you done?
Everything.
What are you pushing?
Motor, hot ass turbo. I did everything that's it.
Nice. That's cool.
That's nice though.
Thank you.
I don't even got that much money.
Me neither. Sorry you cut out. What about the dyno? Yeah, so I found out where I want to take it to the dyno. I'm waiting to get the exhaust fixed first, and then once I do that, then I'll take it in and throw it on the thing. I've never dynoed a car before, so I really don't know what it looks like. Or how long to do it for, because I guess there's different like time increments that you dyno a car for. I don't want to race. What's my favorite car? Is it the Mustang or the Subaru? Oh man, I don't know. That's a tough one. They're so different. You can't really compare them. Oh god, there's a cop behind us. We need to get out of here. Where's my favorite place to cruise? Definitely the mountains, for sure. I've tried doing a couple of mountain live stream cruises, but I don't have the service for it, so it's a terrible live stream. Otherwise, we would be cruising in the mountains every Sunday. First time I drove a Coyote, Target. But the one in the hood. So we're heading to the hood, basically. Which, thank you for reminding me, because I forgot. I was going somewhere completely different. Sincerest apologies if my car looks dirty over there. I wiped down my side because I thought we were POV driving, but not that side, so I'm sorry if it's dirty. I wasn't expecting passenger princesses today. A leaf. It's hotter than hell. My sweatpants. It's like a friggin' swamp. What is this car doing? You can't park there, sir. Side note, I went over to my neighbor's house this morning. I saw her like struggling with some boxes, so I ran over to see if she needed any help. She's planning on moving, but she had the garage open and I've never been inside their garage before, and they had like wrapped up a Mitsubishi 3000 GT, and she said she's trying to sell it, but she thought about just selling it to Carvana. A Mitsubishi 3000 GT was like my dream car when I was first getting a car. Like, there was one for sale when I was like 15 years old and I wanted it so bad. But it has the pop-up headlights. I think I missed my turn. You? Oh, just kidding, I'm not. That was a lie. This is the road I need. Oh no. Kelly Sue. Oh, they have a GoPro on his BMW. I wonder what he's filming. Oh, these old women are talking shit about me. They are talking shit about me. Hi, David. Thanks for stopping in. I'll have it edited and posted so you can watch it when you get off work. I wish. Calm down, Mom. You're fine. Another Subaru. Do you want to get going or what, guys? DJI action camera, my Mustang. I want the DJI, like the new vlog camera thing, like the Osmo 3. I want one. Yes, my passenger princesses. We're almost done. We're pulling up on Target now. So prepare for our goodbyes. I gotta take some pictures of Mock today, now that it's like clear out, and I should be able to get some good pictures of him because I want to start making shirts. Mock shirts. You guys want to go with me to the ATM real quick? We're gonna make a deposit. Screw it, why not? We're here. Oh shit, okay. I don't actually bank here, my bank is in like the same network as this one. $20, please.
Not me hard!
I'm just kidding. What are you guys doing today? How was your weekend? What are your plans this week? Hello? If you say shit about the back of my head with my fucked up hair, I will block you.
I'm just playing, ladies. You know I love you.
Alright, we out of here. No, you didn't. That's so funny. I was just kidding. I did used to work here though. This is where my first big girl job was at, when I was a cute little teller. I've loved money my whole adult life. And cars. Hey, okay, okay. Do I want to walk this far? Absolutely. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. No, Brayden, I'm not doing that. Maybe if you would have showed up on time, I would have. Alright, I'm gonna come get you. Stay there. Don't move. Ow! Okay, we did it. Another successful live stream, kinda. It was a little awkward. That was like the most awkward angle I think I've ever done on live stream, because I forgot my head strap, so. Are we still here? Hi, Sabrina. Okay, well, I'm out of here. Thank you guys for hanging out today on this live stream. Next weekend, I'll be sure to be more prepared for a POV live stream. But I am vlogging this week, so yeah, that video will come out on Thursday. I'll probably edit this and hopefully post it by tonight, if not tomorrow night. Thank you guys again. I love you. Have a great weekend. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. I'll see you later.